Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve this particular problem which is currently going on in the code shift. What the problem states is that we are given an array and we have to find the number of operations that we need to require to convert all the elements, all the integers given in the A to 0. And the operation consists of the three main atomic operations. Like what do we have to do? Initially we have to choose the element P that should be greater than 0, and whatever the element you have chosen, you have to just take the 2 to the power P of that particular value, right? And once you got that value, so they are telling that select at most k, means you are in that array you have to take at most k element and then run a loop on that particular elements, right? So you can just run on those elements and just perform the XOR operations on that k element. Means you can go from 1 to k. It is not that you have to take exactly k, because they are, what they are stating is that it should be at most k, right? At most k. So over here you can see that 132 is given. So by looking at this you might have went through this particular explanation also. So it is very straightforward. Like first of all, like they have chosen the p equals to 0 and they have implied they have just done the XOR operations on the first indices, that is on the 3. So the value was like 2 6 10, because after the, because 2 to the power 0, to the power 0 will always be 1, right? And 3 XOR 1 will always give the value as a 2. Similarly they have just done it for the further operations and got the values as 0 0 0. So like actually by looking at this we will not be getting any idea that how to approach for this particular problem unless and until we just go on the like deeper, we just solve it roughly on the book, pen and using the pen and paper, like how exactly they are working. Means I have just printed the binary values of the corresponding elements. So actually by looking at this, one approach comes to the mind that like they are taking the value of a p and taking the value as a 2 to the power p, right? So it's like it is like a bits, right? It is like a bits which will run it may be either first bit, second bit, third bit and fourth bit, and accordingly, right? So p will be some type of the bit only. So you can see over here like 3 6 10 I have printed, and like 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 0. So you can see over here like this rightmost this is the like zeroth index, right? So zeroth index is there. So you can see only one bit is present, so the value of a p, so for this if you want to just make it 0, then the value of p should be equals to 0, right? Right, because they have just stated it from here only, like p equals to 0 they have taken. So if you take the p equals to 0, then you will simply just XOR with this. So 1 1 will cancel each other, because p and 2 to the power 2 to the power 0 will always give as a 1, and we know that 1 and XOR with 1 will always give 0 itself, right? So अगर अपन like p equals to 0 है यहाँ पे, so we can just make it 0. Similarly for the second element, second index, you can see like अभी यहाँ पे k का value, you might be wondering that where we are using the k. So actually इसमें क्या बोल रहा है, like you can take at most k elements, right, and perform the XOR operations, right? But यहाँ पे क्या सीन है, k equals to अपना 2 दिया है, right? k equals to 2 दिया था, but in this case we are having only one element, so यहाँ पे k का कुछ मतलब ही नहीं है. But in the second case you can see like on the second index we are having 3 bits, right? So अभी अपने को 3 बिट को 0 बनाना है, तो 3 बिट को 0 बनाना है मतलब अभी क्या, p इक्वल्स टू 1 लेना पड़ेगा, राइट? p इक्वल्स टू 1 लेना पड़ेगा क्योंकि अपने को अभी फर्स्ट बिट पे 0 बनाना है. बट अभी इसमें सीन ऐसा है कि अपना जो k है ना, k जो है वो 2 है बट यहाँ पे वैल्यू 3 है, तो उसके लिए आप हम लोग को क्या करना पड़ेगा, लाइक वी हैव टू टेक ओनली द फर्स्ट टू एलिमेंट्स, लाइक अगर हमने 3 और 6 को लिया राइट, तो यहाँ पे k इक्वल्स टू 2 के लिए, और फिर बचता है अपना 10 के लिए 10, तो यहाँ पे ऐसा अपने को 2 बार ये चलाना पड़ेगा। तो उसके लिए हम लोग ऐसा कर सकते हैं कि एक्चुअली वो मैप से करना है, आई विल डिस्कस द अप्रोच लेटर ऑन, बट जस्ट गेट इन टू दिस लाइक हाउ द इंट्यूशन इज। सो यहाँ पे लाइक k यहाँ पे 2 बार जाएगा, लाइक वी हैव टू पिक for the first element, like what are the value present at the first index, you have to go twice for that because k equals to 2 and actual value is 3 for it. So similarly थर्ड इंडेक्स के लिए वैल्यू 1 है राइट, और अपना k इक्वल्स टू 2 है, तो यहाँ पे भी कुछ मैटर नहीं करेगा और लास्ट वाले में भी कुछ मैटर नहीं करेगा। सो अगर हम लोग आंसर का कुछ प्रिंट करें ना, तो लाइक अपना कुछ ऐसा आएगा कि लाइक पहले में तो जो अपना जीरोथ इंडेक्स है उसके लिए तो अपने को एक ही ऑपरेशन लगेगा राइट, बट अभी ये सेकेंड वाले इंडेक्स के लिए अपने को कितना लगेगा, क्योंकि एक में 3 6 आएगा और एक में लाइक लास्ट का 10 आएगा राइट, और ये जो अपना ये लास्ट वाला है लाइक थर्ड वाला है उसमें भी एक ही लगेगा, और फिर लास्ट वाले में भी 3 लगेगा, एक लगेगा, तो ऑलमोस्ट लाइक टोटल वी आर हैविंग 5। सो दिस इज हाउ लाइक अप्रोच इज। नाउ